Creating wooden crafts project ideas that can become best-selling items with significant profit potential holds considerable significance in today's crafting and entrepreneurial landscape. As the market for handmade goods continues to expand, driven by a growing consumer preference for unique, artisanal products over mass-produced alternatives, the opportunity for artisans to tap into this trend is more promising than ever. Wooden crafts, with their inherent durability, aesthetic appeal, and versatility, offer a rich medium for crafting items that can resonate with a wide audience. The significance lies not only in the financial rewards, but also in the ability to create pieces that reflect personal creativity, craftsmanship, and sustainability. When artisans develop project ideas that are thoughtfully designed and cater to current market trends, they can create products that stand out and attract buyers looking for quality and uniqueness. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will show you a collection of wooden crafts project ideas that can become best-selling items. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. One of the key aspects of successful wooden crafts is the ability to identify niche markets and consumer interests. Understanding what resonates with potential customers is crucial. For instance, items that reflect current home decor trends, such as rustic or minimalist styles, can be particularly appealing. Additionally, there is a growing demand for functional pieces that solve everyday problems or enhance the living space, such as custom shelving units, organizers, or decorative yet practical household items. When artisans create products that serve a dual-purpose functionality combined with aesthetic appeal, they increase their chances of achieving sales success. The significance of creating project ideas that align with consumer needs cannot be overstated, as it directly impacts the marketability and profitability of the finished products. Moreover, the process of designing wooden crafts encourages innovation and creativity, allowing artisans to experiment with different techniques, finishes, and styles. This creative freedom is essential for developing unique offerings that capture consumer interest. For instance, combining various types of wood, incorporating mixed materials, or using unconventional shapes can result in standout pieces that are not only visually striking, but also functional. Artisans who embrace their creativity and take risks in their designs often find themselves at the forefront of trends, setting themselves apart in a competitive market. The significance of this innovation extends beyond the immediate sale. It contributes to the artisan's brand identity, establishing them as a creator known for quality and originality, which can lead to repeat business and customer loyalty. Another critical element in the significance of creating profitable wooden crafts is the potential for scalability. While many artisans start as hobbyists, developing project ideas that can be scaled up into a small business is a viable pathway to profitability. By identifying best-selling items and refining production processes, artisans can increase their output and meet growing demand without sacrificing quality. For instance, a successful design can be reproduced with slight variations to appeal to different customer segments, allowing artisans to expand their product lines while maintaining a cohesive brand. This scalability not only enhances profitability, but also opens doors for artisans to explore wholesale opportunities, collaborate with local retailers, or participate in craft fairs and markets where they can showcase their work to a broader audience. The significance of this growth potential cannot be understated, as it transforms a passion for woodworking into a sustainable business model. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Furthermore, the significance of creating wooden crafts that resonate with consumers also ties into the broader movement towards sustainability and ethical consumption. As consumers become more environmentally conscious, products that are handmade from responsibly sourced materials are increasingly appealing. Artisans who prioritize sustainability in their crafting processes, not only in sourcing wood, but also in using eco-friendly finishes and packaging, can tap into a growing market of consumers who value ethical practices. This alignment with consumer values enhances the perceived worth of the products, allowing artisans to command higher prices for their work. The significance of creating project ideas that emphasize sustainability thus extends beyond profitability. It fosters a connection between the maker and the customer, built on shared values and a commitment to responsible consumption. In addition to these practical considerations, creating wooden crafts also serves as a powerful means of personal expression and storytelling. Each piece crafted from wood carries with it the essence of the maker's vision, skills, and experiences. By infusing their personality and artistry into their projects, artisans create not just products, but stories that resonate with buyers. This emotional connection is a driving force behind consumer purchasing decisions. Buyers are often drawn to items that evoke feelings of nostalgia, warmth, or inspiration. When artisans share the story behind their creations, whether it's the inspiration for a design, the techniques used, or the journey of the materials, they enhance the value of their products in the eyes of consumers. This narrative aspect transforms the buying experience, making it more than just a transaction. It becomes a meaningful exchange that fosters loyalty and encourages word-of-mouth referrals. Moreover, the community aspect of crafting cannot be overlooked in discussing the significance of creating profitable wooden crafts. Engaging with fellow artisans, participating in workshops, and connecting with local crafting communities provide invaluable support and resources. These interactions can lead to collaborations, mentorship opportunities, and the sharing of best practices, all of which can enhance an artisan's skills and business acumen. The crafting community often thrives on collaboration over competition, and this spirit of support can be instrumental in helping artisans refine their project ideas, improve their marketing strategies, and navigate the challenges of running a small business. The significance of this sense of community enriches the crafting experience, providing artisans with not only practical guidance, but also emotional encouragement as they pursue their creative endeavors. The significance of creating wooden crafts project ideas that can lead to best-selling and profitable items is multifaceted, encompassing creativity, market awareness, sustainability, scalability, personal expression, and community engagement. As artisans navigate the intricate landscape of handmade goods, the potential for success lies not only in the quality of their craftsmanship, but also in their ability to connect with consumers on a deeper level. By developing unique and compelling products that resonate with current market trends and values, artisans can carve out a niche for themselves in a competitive industry, turning their passion for woodworking into a thriving business. This journey is not just about profit. It is about embracing creativity, fostering connections, and contributing to a culture that values craftsmanship, sustainability, and originality. As the demand for handmade goods continues to rise, The opportunity for artisans to make their mark through innovative wooden crafts is more significant than ever, shaping a future where creativity and entrepreneurship flourish hand in hand. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wooden crafts project ideas that can become best-selling items. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.